Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm going to be going over the hidden features on the LG Fortune. We're going to start with a really important one to me, which is how do you get the app drawer back? If you notice, there is no app drawer, and a lot of us are just used to having that on our Android phone. So to get this back, hold down your screen, go to Home Screen Settings, go to Select Home, and we're going to switch to Home and App Drawer. Okay. And now we have our precious app drawer back right in the center, and all our apps are separated and organized in the app drawer. Okay, so that's our first little hidden feature. If you say to yourself, oh, okay, that's cool, I kind of want to do it the way it originally was, I want to take it back, just hold down your home screen, and actually no, we have to go to our settings. Swipe down, settings, and we need to go to, we're under display, go to home screen, and then select home, and then go back to this option right here, and that will basically remove the app drawer. Okay. All right, our second hidden feature is going to be how do we get more apps on our home screen? Because right now we only have room for basically 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 4 columns, but maybe you're like me and you're like, I want more apps. I want to have a lot of stuff on my home screen. And here's how you do it. We're going to hold down on the home screen here. Or actually, no, it's not there anymore. We're going to swipe down, go to settings. The phone looks a little bit different when you don't have the app drawer there. That's why I keep holding down and I'm like, oh, that's not there, because it just depends on the setting you're on. So display, home screen, and then let's see, we may actually need to re-enable. We're going to take it back to home, so we're going to get rid of get rid of the app drawer first, and then we can change the setting, then we'll take it back. So now hold down your home screen settings, and now go to grid, and we're going to change it to 5x5. And this will basically allow for more room to put more things on your home screen. So now we have an extra column and an extra row. So I can take this widget up here and I can actually extend it just so that it looks neater. And I can extend this as well. But now I can get more apps because I have this whole extra row. So really cool thing, how to just get a little bit more on that home screen. Our next hidden feature is going to be a really cool one that, you know, it just helps you never miss an important picture. Now, when your screen is off, if you double tap the volume down button, it will automatically turn on your screen and launch the camera. We call this the quick launch camera. Again, screen is off, and just double tap, volume down, and there it is. Now this only works when the phone is off. If your phone is on and you try it, the volume is just going to go down. So keep that in mind. Now our next hidden feature is going to be one that's very similar. It's by double tapping the volume up, and it will automatically launch your notes. So this is an LG Note app that's really cool. If we tap on the T here, we can type text, or it's going to ask you to agree to the terms first. So I can just start typing, maybe something important, you're in a meeting or something, you want to jot down that important note, you can tap here and start typing. You can also hold down on the settings wheel and tap on the microphone. And now as I talk, it will type whatever it hears. So this is even easier. You could be in a conversation and someone's talking, it's gonna basically write down everything that they're saying to a certain degree of accuracy. It's not 100%, but it's pretty close. And if you're in a class and they're going over something really important, this would be a great way to take notes without having to like take notes. Tap the microphone there and that will turn it off. And then when you go home, it'll automatically just save it to your quick memo. And if we swipe down here, you'll find your quick memo is, let's see, used to be in here. May not be in there anymore. Oh, I just turned on airplane mode. That's fun. So you do have a section for quick memo let's go ahead and switch our home screen back to have the app drawer, and then we can get to our quick memo app easier. So app drawer here, and then quick memo is right here, and it'll have our note saved right there. Our final hidden feature is going to be, how do I hide an app? Which is, you know, can be an important thing. Again, we're going to switch. Actually, let me see. We may have to switch back to that other view without the app drawer. Let's see. So settings. Or actually, I think we can do it from here. There's a lot of times there's multiple ways to do these things. So I'll show you the easiest way, which is go into your app drawer, upper right corner, 3 dots, and right here, hide show apps. And now let's say I want to hide the Wish app. You can check that, and now when you go to the app drawer, you're not going to find it anywhere in this section. And basically you would have to know to come up here to go to hide show apps in order for you to be able to see the app again. So if I uncheck it, press OK, now the app will show up again in my drawer. So maybe you've got some apps that are kind of important, you don't want people to see. That's how you hide them. Guys, I hope you did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Make sure you also subscribe to HG Tech Videos and follow us on Instagram at HG Tech Videos for really cool monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a good one.